I know the word community is overused and watered down, and that often we pay lip service, while at the same time we crave the meaningful, authentic connections that a community can bring. The thing that is relatively unknown in the world today is that we don't have to be a part of an association or a club or a group in order to enjoy this kind of connection. We can get together with people and build it just for the sake of having the experience of being part of a real community. And this is what I think is missing in the world today, that there are people falling through the cracks who just aren't a part of an association or a group that offers that, perhaps because they're just too busy. But it's possible that you can start this yourself. And this is what my book will teach you to do. And this is what my programs do. We work with groups and we help them to build community.